Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to appear online on this Slack application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Slack application through any browser you're currently using. So it could be maybe Opera, Brave, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, whatever browser you're using will work properly with you. So all you need to do after and go into your browser, just tap download Slack, then tap at the first link, or yeah, the first link. After that, just go and download your Slack application. You can just go and set up your Slack application. After that, all you need to do, just go and sign in. After you click on the sign in button, it will take you to your browser directly. So after going to your browser, you will sign in from there and it will take you back to your application. So after that, maybe after you can join here channels, add some direct messages, add, I don't know, you can do whatever you want in this application. But what we actually want today is how to appear online on Slack. So as you can see here, I appear away offline on Slack. So even if I send messages, like as you can see, whatever I'm still offline. So how can I appear online? Simply by going and click at your icon here at the top right corner, and then click at set yourself as active. So as you can see, I am online at the moment. So I send a message, I will appear online to people. Of course, as you can see, that person is away and I am active. Of course, I can make it away as well. So as you can see, I'm away even if I type messages. And as we said, if you want to turn it online, just go and set yourself as active and you will be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.